In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Character.ai say your name. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Character.ai and press Enter. Click the official Character.ai website from the results. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your profile and characters. Once you're on the Character.ai homepage, look to the lower left corner and click your profile. From the menu that appears, choose Public Profile. This is where all the characters you've created are listed, so you can quickly find the one you want to update. On your public profile, locate the character you created. Next to that character's card, click the three dots to open the Options menu. Choose the Edit option, which is shown as a pencil icon. This takes you into the character editor, where you can change how your character introduces itself and responds to users. Inside the editor, find the section labeled Greeting. The greeting is the very first message your character sends when someone starts a new chat, and it's the perfect place to have your character say your name. Click into that field and edit the text to include your name naturally. For example, you might write a friendly sentence that mentions your name in a way that fits the character's style. Keep it brief, conversational, and clear, so the introduction sounds natural when you start a new conversation. If privacy matters to you, consider using a nickname or the form of your name you're most comfortable sharing. When you're happy with the greeting, click Save and Chat. This applies your change and opens a chat window with your updated character. Start a new conversation, and you should see the greeting message now include your name. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page or start a fresh chat to trigger the new greeting. If you want to hear it spoken aloud, click the play button next to the character's message. Make sure your device volume is on, and remember that voice options can vary, so the pronunciation may slightly differ depending on the voice selected. If the name pronunciation isn't perfect, you can adjust spelling in the greeting to guide pronunciation, such as adding hyphens or phonetic hints, while keeping the message natural. That's it. By updating the greeting and saving your changes, you've made your Character AI bot say your name right at the start of each new chat, and you can listen to it with the built-in play button whenever you like.